Good morning. All right, so today is, whoop, today is now Tuesday. So let's clear these off. So we know today is Tuesday. So that means yesterday was Monday, and that tomorrow will be Wednesday. You got it. So if yesterday was the 21st, what comes after 21? You got it, 22. So today is Tuesday, September 22nd. Whoops, let's go ahead and count how many days we've been in school. So here's the first day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've been in school now for 11 days. This is our 11th day of school. Now on my hundreds chart, I'm not really sure where to go to get to 11. Do I go down? Do I go back? No. So when we're jumping to the next row in our hundreds chart, we're going to go down a row and go all the way back to the left. So we kind of have to go down and then jump back. And go down all the way and then come back when we're moving around in our hundreds chart. So we are at the 11th day of school, and when we write the number 11, it's just 2 straight lines. Now when we're using our place value chart and base 10 blocks, so we remember yesterday we said that one of these longs is worth 10. And if I look at the number 11, I see that there is a 1 in the tens place, which means I am using 1 10 or 1 long. And then I have a 1 in the ones place. So I am going to represent that with 1 of these little cubes here. So this is how we would represent the number 11. I have a 1 in my tens, see here, and then I have a 1 in my ones, which is represented by that little cube. All right, girls, so I hope you have a wonderful day today. I will be seeing you later on. If you have any questions throughout the day, please feel free to contact me and I will help you best I can. Talk to you soon. Bye.